Hello everyone, my name is Megha Prasad. I'm one of the co-editors of the Fits on the Go blog. I'm joined here by Dr. Maron at ACC 2016 in Chicago. Pleasure to be meeting with you today, Dr. Maron. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Megha. Pleasure to be with you.
Today we'll be talking a little bit about academic cardiology and what fellows can do to develop a successful career in academic cardiology. Dr. Maron, you've had a very prolific career. What advice do you have for fellows aspiring to do something similar to what you have?
Probably the most important thing is to identify good role models and latch onto them at your institution. And it's really impossible, I think, to get a foothold on an academic career without having a team of mentors. And when I say a team, I think that having a career mentor, someone that may not be in the exact area of your interest or subspecialty, but someone who cares about your welfare, about your career, who can give you good advice, and then finding, to complement that person, someone who is a content expert, if you will, in your area of interest. And I think, secondly, it's important to really have a passion for a given area of research. Otherwise, there's so much work, it would be a drag. Something that someone can identify that they would just love to do is so important.
Those are some really great points.
So early in a fellow's career, people are going to be asking, what are you going to do? And if you're pretty sure it's academics, what are you going to do? So early on in the fellowship, I think it's important to be sure you're exposed to all the different aspects of cardiology, to find the one that really resonates.
Dr. Maron, could you tell us a little bit about what fellows can do as they transition from their end of their fellowship to the beginning of their early careers?
Well, if there's an interest in staying at their own institution, I think starting early to speak with their division chief, their mentor, about opportunities for staying on the faculty and transitioning to faculty. I really didn't follow a traditional career path. I had some experience in participating in a clinical trial as a fellow and enjoyed that experience so much that after a couple of years in private practice, after feeling like I really wanted an academic career, I went back across the usual gradient to take an academic job, primarily as a clinician and not as a researcher, and started writing down my ideas for clinical trials that I wanted to do. And I think that even though that was an unusual way to ultimately become a clinical trialist, that again, fellows just need to really have a passion and to find people, whether it's at their own institution or at other institutions, to collaborate with, to look for guidance. And it takes a lot of hard work after you figure out what you'd like to do.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. That was some really great advice, and I think the fellows will enjoy watching this. Thanks for joining us, Dr. Maron. For more videos like this, please go to www.youtube.com/fitsonthego.